Hi there. Ready to explore? In the science lab, morning light danced. Elena wore her lab coat. She held a magnifying glass. The world seemed bigger and clearer. In the playroom, colors were bright. Elena sat with crayons. She drew fluffy clouds. Her paper was full of colors. In the park, puddles mirrored the sky. Elena wore her rainy coat. She jumped with a splash. Her umbrella had polka dots. In the wind, leaves whispered. Elena listened to the rustling. Raindrops tapped a gentle song. Chimes sang in the breeze. In the lunchroom, clouds hovered above. Elena enjoyed sandwiches and juice. A picnic blanket was her world. The sky was her root. In the forest, the evening was calm. Elena found a nest in a tree. Birds chirped a happy tune. She listened with a smile. In the night garden, stars twinkled. Elena watched clouds drift. The moon peeked through them. She wondered at their gentle dance. In her bedroom, night was quiet. Elena snuggled with her teddy bear. She dreamed of clouds and stars. Do clouds dream too? See you soon.
Thank you very much.